Now I have started recording. Okay. So the question type is basically composite slabs in dielectric. We discussed already that if they are like this, then what kind of connection is this? It was series connection or parallel connection?
Connection.
It was series connection, and when it was like this, then it was parallel connection. We
Parallel.
already discussed these two things, right? Now, see, I'm giving you questions based on this thing. Composite slab between dielectric. Parallel plate capacity. Now, see, guys, I'll directly give you a question. Suppose these are the plates. And now, please remember, these are the plates. Accordingly, we'll draw. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A1, this is A2. K1 is basically 1, K2 is basically 2, and K3 is basically 3. A1 is equals to A2 equals to A by 2. Okay. Now the question is, find the net capacitance across B and yes, how will you do it, guys? It's very simple.
K2, K3 are in series
K2, K3 are in series, and
and they both are in parallel with K1.
the combination of this is in parallel with K1 across. So chalo, fatafat start solving. These are your we'll do some question based on energy as well. एक थोड़ा advanced level question we'll do. Ajay, does this circuit which we have drawn in the question, is it equivalent? Is it equivalent to this circle? Yes, anyone? Is it equivalent to this circuit? So you should be able to
Sir.
identify exactly how will you divide it, है ना? Always remember how to divide it. Abhi next question I'll give it no exactly like this. What is the area of this thing? A by 2. What is the area of this thing? A by 2. What is the area of this thing? A by 2 again. K2 is 2. This is 3. This is 1. Right? So can anyone calculate?
A by 4.
Will it be
A by 4.
the answer?
No. K2 and K3 ka area.
A by no. It will be A by 2 only. No. Can you see the plates?
The distance is d by 2.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
distance is
Yeah,
D by
makes
2.
sense.
The distance is D by 2, not the area. Guys, is everyone understanding this thing? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in what we are doing, Abhito?
No.
So basically, I divided the capacitor, that system, into like this, and now we know this thing in series and is in parallel with this one. So can anyone solve this for me, please? What is C1? C1 will be equals to 1 times of epsilon naught into area divided by this thing. So C1 will be equals to how much? Epsilon naught A by 2D. C2, can anyone calculate C2? Twice epsilon naught A by 2 upon D by 2. Cut. Twice of epsilon naught. And can anyone do that? Am I correct, guys? Am I correct or am I wrong anywhere? Math part.
So C2
Tell me.
D, right?
What?
Okay, 2 is
So yeah, it's
K2.
Yes, 2 is K2.
Okay.
It's filled with the dielectric completely, no?
Okay.
So basically now I'm leaving the remaining question for you people. Next question will be homework. Okay?
answer is 11 by 5 A epsilon naught by D.
Yes, I guess. It should be 11 by 5. I remember. I don't have the answer with me because I need to check exactly where it is. I just have the question with me. Okay? एक और question I am giving you.
Thank you. Little down.
ये फटाफट हो गया?
Yeah.
So guys, there is a capacitor, this capacitor. I can extend this problem to 3 dimension as well. Okay? Let me extend it to 3D only. कि जाने दो, ज़्यादा टफ हो जाएगा imagination के लिए. For those who want, I can, will not discuss that in class, but
Questions answer.
yes,
Previous questions answer.
I don't have it. What are everyone getting? What is everyone getting? Let me calculate it. 2 minutes लगेगा. So epsilon.
Okay.
So I'll just say this is your 2c, this is your 3c, and this is your c by 2, है ना? So 2c into 3c upon 5c is basically 6c by 5, and 6c by 5. 10, 12. है ना?
So, K1, that thing is C1 by C2 only, no?
What?
No, wait, yeah, it's D. Sorry.
So it has to be 12 plus 5, right? Yes, sir.
So the answer will be 17 epsilon naught A by. This will be the answer. Yes, Rubia. Was this your answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, the question is this. If there is a dielectric slab of area A by 2 and this distance B by 2. K is 4. Remaining is air. Can you see the remaining portion? Hello? The remaining is air, okay?
So,
Yes, sir.
So now the question is what will be the dielectric constant of this thing? What will be the effective capacitance? What will be the effective capacitance of this thing? And for those who will be done with this question, they can try this question. This question is optional, by the way. If you want to try, you can try. Otherwise, no problem. Those who are willing to, do this thing. क्या बोलते हैं?
So the first question, the whole plate is A by 2 or only the half part?
No, only this part.
This is the home.
Only this part. It has an area of A by 2. So this has an area of A by 2. If this has an area A, this has an area A by 2. I can extend this question in 3D as well. मतलब ऐसा है. Can you see a square plate of what is the area of this square plate?
L square.
L square. So can you see over here? I have just placed a cube of dielectric with a dielectric constant 2. This cube, okay, as a dielectric
Okay.
constant cube, and this cube is placed at one of the vertices. For example, if this is a square plate, then this dielectric will be only in this much part. If you look from the top. Hello? Are you getting my point, guys?
No.
Can you imagine the whole thing now?
So,
हाँ बोलो. Yes, tell me. Doubt?
no.
So the question is
So K in air is always 1, right?
yes,
The
air is
dielectric
always
constant
1.
in air
Yes,
is 1.
the dielectric constant of air is 1.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the question, है ना? I have just placed the cube of dimensions L by 2, L by 2 and L by 2. The distance between this is also L. Are you getting my point, guys? Can you imagine the whole question in front of you?
Yeah.
Can you imagine 2 square plates of L square area each? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you see that cube can be divided into 8 equal pieces?
Which cube?
The cubical region between the 2 plates.
The big cube, yeah?
The big cube. Can you see the big
Okay,
cube?
yes, sir.
So that big cube can be divided into 8 pieces. And on those one out of that 8 pieces which is placed on that corner, I have placed that dielectric slab. Okay? So the
Yes.
question is very good. Even it looks very easy. But I'm telling you it's very good question. बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
for those who want to try, can try this as well. For those who don't want to try that much, you have to do this question as well. ठीक है? चलिए. एक और क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. नहीं, these type of questions are also there, you know. So
So can you scroll a little up?
I can scroll a little up.
So L will be the distance between the plates as well.
क्या चीज?
The distance between the plates will be L.
The distance between the plate is L. Yes. So can you see the cube is L by 2, है ना? तो थोड़ा सा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. That this question is very good if you want to increase your imaginative power, है ना? So try and do it, and everyone can try. You know, it's not necessary कि सर ने मना कर दिया है कि I don't want to try, तो don't try. Try it once. It should, you know, it should be not be like कि सर करूँ या नहीं करूँ. You can try. चलिए.
So what is the answer for that question?
This
First
one?
question. Yeah.
This one, let me check. So this will be C2 will be epsilon naught A by 2 on B. And this will C1 will be epsilon naught E by 2 on C by 2. And this will be 4 times of epsilon naught A by 2 into C by 2. Cut. So C3 is basically 4 times of C. This thing is basically C. And this thing is basically C by 2. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now C and 4C are in series. So C into 4C by 5C, which is 4.
So is it 13 by 10C?
What?
13 by 10C? The answer?
The same as previous. हाँ नहीं, अब शायद से 13 by C.
Yeah, 13 by 10.
And this plus C by 2. So 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2. What is 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2? हाँ, 13 by. Exactly. Oh, sorry, 5. So this will be the final answer for this problem will be 10 13 by 10 epsilon naught E by D. This should be the final answer. Ovia, is this your answer? Hello?
So yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, समझ में आया how to do these type of composite slab problem? Guys, did you understand the composite slab problem?
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving you some questions, miscellaneous problem in which all the concepts will be mixed. है ना? Suppose I have a battery. Both these capacitance are equal. Guys, can you see this thing? Both the capacitances are equal. And what am I doing now? I am inserting a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K in this place while the battery is connected. While the battery is connected, a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K is inserted between the plates of one of capacitor. Find the additional charge. And why am I cutting this also? Find the additional charge sent by the battery should be greater than 0. Let me check. I don't know. Find the additional charge sent by the battery. Find the work done. Guys, 2 minutes. Na? Let me just frame the question once. Initial capacitance. and एक कंडीशन में दे देता हूँ okay Adi, yes guys please start the change in energy of the second capacitor. Not necessary. Of both the capacitors. Yes, start doing the question now, guys.
So can you scroll a bit up?
Of the change in energy of both the capacitors. Yes. This is the question, guys. Please note it down. And doubt. You doubt again?
Sure. No, sorry.
Find the change. Acha, हाँ. Please remember, whenever I talk about the change in energy of both the capacitors, I can say the energy stored in. I can ask the same way the energy stored in the capacitor circuit. Are you getting my point? This whole circuit is consisting of capacitors, right? So basically the whole thing can behave as a single capacitor. So I can say we find out the energy stored in the whole capacitor circuit. And the third question can be asked in other way. This is the other way. I have written. Find the change in energy of both the capacitor or the change in energy stored in the capacitor circuit. Is this clear? Guys, everyone is clear about the question now?
Yeah.
Chaliye, please start doing it. Today we'll be done. We'll be done with capacitance and we'll come back to capacitance again when we'll be discussing current electricity. Although I think I might start it with today itself. I might start current electricity today itself. Yes, because just after this question I'll give you one more question and we'll start with current electricity. We might start today. The answer will come in terms of K. So please don't hesitate.
Sir, what's the first one?
Find the additional charge sent by the battery.
No, the answer.
The answer for the first one. Oh, answer
Yeah.
for the second one.
The first one, the additional charge sent by the battery. Hello?
It should be K minus 1 upon K plus 1 into Q.
K minus 1.
Upon K plus 1 into Q. I guess.
I got K by K plus 1. I'll check.
मैं भी चेक करता हूँ एक बार.
Hmm.
चलो guys, how will we do this thing? Go to the basics. What basics, sir? Which basics are you talking about? Just assume this is the first circuit, and after this it became like this. Okay, can you see this was initial, this was final? Hello?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So how to do this thing? Now here, what is the C net over here? Acha, did I give you the battery or did I just give you? Okay. So battery is plus minus V over here as well, and plus minus V over here as well. Can anyone tell me what is the net capacitance over here? This is also C and this is also C. What is the net capacitance in the first case? Can anyone tell me what is the
C
net
by
capacitance?
2.
C by 2, very good. Can anyone
By
tell me what is the net capacitance in the final case? Acha, what will be the capacity of this?
That
Huh? Hello?
KC.
This will be K times of C, this will be still C, right? This will be still C and this will be still C, right? So C plus C into C upon C plus C. It becomes C by 2, right? Everyone knows the formula for parallel, series of capacitance, right? C1, C2 upon C1 plus C2. Similarly, here it will become C into Kc upon K plus 1 into C. Yes or no? So can you see 1C will get cancelled with 1C and the new capacitance will be Kc upon K plus 1. So guys, can you see over here, this K was greater than 2. I gave you this condition, or even if I would have not given, you know, K we use, K is always greater than 1. So if this thing is greater than 1, can you see if it would have been 1, if it would have been just air, then this would have obviously become equal to that only. So there was no change in the circuit. But since we have, you know, assumed that this particular thing is greater than 1, so hence this thing will always, yes, can anyone tell me what will this thing do? Will it decrease or will it increase? This is 2 upon 3 or 3 upon 4. Yes or no? Can you see, guys? Guys, can you see over here? I'm analyzing this thing. Can you see? 2 when
Decreasing.
I put, so increasing, no, it is greater than 0.5 at least.
Okay, yeah.
This thing is 0.66, this thing is 0.75. Basically K is also increasing and this is also increasing. So in every case, whenever for K is greater than 1, C dash net will be greater than C net. Is this clear? That implies what? K, if you put a dielectric slab, the capacitance will increase. Yes? Yes or no, guys? This is not
Yes,
part
sir.
of the question. This is just for analyzing the stuff. Hai? With the help of this, we analyze this. Is this clear, guys? Hello? Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me put it. Now see, guys, once you are done with finding out the net capacitance, what will you do after that? What is the charge to the battery? What is the charge to the battery? Initial case, what is the charge? Hello? Arey bolo yaar. Q is basically C net into V, right?
Yes.
So this will be 0.5 C by 2 into V. In this case, what will be this thing? The charge Q dash.
Into.
What happened?
No, I just said into.
You have to leave or something? Hello?
I just said into.
Acha, acha. Is this clear, guys? This is your initial, this is your final. And then what is the net additional charge? Yes, guys, what is the charge sent? It will be Q dash minus Q, right? So K upon K plus 1, CV will be common. Guys, minus 1 by 2. Yes or no? So twice of K minus 1 upon 2. Oh, sorry, my bad.
So I just found it in terms of the original Q. Is that okay?
हाँ ठीक है, ओरिजिनल क्यू पुट कर देना वहाँ पे, क्या दिक्कत है?
Hmm.
So twice of K minus 1. So this will be K minus 1 upon twice of K plus 1. Guys,
So
this is
the
the
potential will be equal, right? Since the battery is connected.
since the battery is connected
The potential will be equal, right?
across which
Initial and final.
the net combination it will be equal.
Okay. So can we equate that? Find the V in the first phase and second phase and then equate that.
Srishma, your voice is a little bit echoing, you know. हाँ बोलो.
1 minute, sir. Now can you hear me?
हाँ बोलो.
Okay, since V is equal in initial and final, can we equate it? Like we can take it as C by Q and then equate it?
But here this will be C net. Please remain C net. C net by Q and C dash net by Q dash is V. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's not the case of single capacitor when it was battery was connected. If you are relating it with a single isolated cap, I told you when there is only one capacitor in the system, then what happens? Then the potential remains same. Here also the potential will remain same, but across net combination, not across individual capacitors.
We can't do it using CNET.
We have to do using CNET. If you assume this thing as a single capacitor of C by 2 and this as a single capacitor of C dash net, enough?
Okay.
Then you can say that the potential difference across this net capacitance and this net capacitance is equal. Why? Because the battery is equal. And then charge will be different as the capacitance are different. Okay?
Okay, so I took it as Q by C and equated both of it. Will that work?
So you did this, no? Q by C in the first case. So what was the Q by C in the first case?
It was C by 2.
So
C
Q by
was C.
C by 2 is equals to Q dash upon K into
Okay,
K plus 1 into C. If you did this and then if you found out the value of delta Q, which is Q dash minus Q, then it is fine.
Okay. I didn't find delta Q.
So that is what has been asked in the question, no? They didn't ask you what is the final charge. They asked what is the additional charge coming out of that.
Okay, sir.
So that's the answer to your question. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes, it was half. This 2 was there. Whether this Q was there too. Ishita is waiting in the lobby. How?
Write it as Q K minus 1 by K plus 1 here.
Yeah.
Because Q initial was CV by 2.
Yes. Okay. Any doubt, guys? Pehla question, first part
So
clear?
sir, in the options, if it's there, will we get that option as well, like Q by?
No, they will just give you in terms of K and the final answer they will give you options like this and options which are similar to this.
So we'll get in terms of CV only.
Yes. They may give in terms of Q, but they would define Q, what exactly is Q. If initially the charge flowing through the battery was Q, then they may give in terms of Q. Always remember, they will give you only those variables which they will be defining in the question. So the answer should be in those variables only. For example, was Q given to me in the question?
No.
C and V were given.
Yeah.
So that's why my answer is in C.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the next question, guys?
Done by the
Work
battery.
done.
Find the additional charge sent by the battery. What is the work done by the battery? Yes. Can anyone tell me what is the work done by the battery, if you remember? Please remember, the work done by battery
UV.
sending the additional charge will be delta Q
Delta Q into
multiplied.
V.
So basically, this thing will become K minus 1 into twice of K plus 1 into CV into V. So that will become V.
V square.
Okay. What is the third point now? What is
The
the
change
change in
energy.
energy? So, bus, can anyone tell me what is the change in energy of the circuit? What is the initial energy? Can anyone tell me what is the initial energy?
CV square by 4.
Half C net. Half. The CV square by 4. Yes, correct. Initial energy was CV square by 4. Why? Because C net was C by 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
And what is the final over here? Half.
Half into Kc by K plus 1 into V square.
So half into K upon C plus 1 into C by into V. So basically, what is the change in energy? Final minus. This should come like this. If you are calculating in terms of initial energy, it should come like this. And if you are calculating in terms of resistance, then it should come like this. In terms of capacitance, okay.
So for delta Q, I'm not getting the 2 in the denominator.
For delta,
I got delta Q and you got a 2 in the denominator. I didn't get that.
बेटा देखना यहाँ पे 2 multiplied by K plus 1.
2 multiplied. Okay.
I took
Yeah,
LCM. So 2 multiplied by K plus 1. And here this I multiplied by 2. So it became 2K. Minus this became into 1.
okay.
Guys, is this wrong maths somewhere? Check the maths part. Is the maths wrong over here? Are you multiplied this 2 and K plus 1, right?
That's correct, sir.
2 and K plus 1 are multiplied. This 2 will be multiplied over here to 2K. And this K plus 1 will be multiplied over here to minus of K plus 1. Right?
सही है, yes,
So
sir.
I'll check my answer.
Check एक बार. Please check it again.
Okay,
So-
I didn't think the 2 is no, it's a numerator. C
Okay.
net, I took it as denominator, mistake.
चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, good. कोई बात नहीं. So anyways, is this clear, guys? You'll get some answer like this. And that will be your. एक सेकंड, कुछ तो गड़बड़. Oh, this
Sir, I'm not getting the 4K. Yeah.
you should get like this. Or you can calculate now. Why are you worrying about the answer? You can calculate. Because I just have questions and I'm trying to solve it. I just random answers written over there. So is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Shall I give you a similar type of question as homework? Or that is easy, I guess. That is one. So let's wrap it up with capacitance over here. Okay. Hello, guys. let's wrap it up with capacitance. Do you want me to do the whole lecture capacitance or time is over? Right? Our class is till 6:30, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
I'll just do this thing. I'll stop this recording so that we can record something else for current electricity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this thing, capacitance is over.